Hey everyone, my name is Lindsey. I am a third grade teacher at Peach Creek Elementary, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Chrome and easily get a QR code for your students to scan. And this is our Tech Tip Tuesday. So now I'm going to very quickly show you how to create a QR code. So let's say I'm going to have my students watch a Brain Pop Junior. Once I am on Brain Pop, I will then search the lesson that I need my students to watch. So now that I have my link up here, I will go over to my tab and I will hit this QR button. It will generate a QR code and also gives me an easy way to copy and paste a link if needed. But this is now a QR code that I don't have to go and copy and paste into a different website. And it is right there for me to download or snip, whatever works best for me. Links and tutorials for a quick and easy QR code can be found under the Digital Learning button on the SISD Teaching and Learning Hub. Just press the Canvas button on your Class Link portal and open up your Teaching and Learning Hub. Then choose the Digital and Online Learning button to find this app and other great tech tools. I hope this Tech Tip Tuesday was useful and you were able to use it in your classroom. And it is a simple way to make a QR code for all of our students' needs. And don't forget to join us back here for our next Tech Tip Tuesday.